high school.
He keeps sticking his tongue out.
But people,
Shoot, I give up.
Stan's a bully.
I give up.
Why? It'd be way too easy to say
Excuse
Stan
you?
praise in the week simply because he's
You
a
are getting
dick.
so big. It's scary.
No.
You gonna bounce up and down?
No. Stan here.
What is that one?
Much more
I know you
complex
won't
than
touch it.
See, according to
Oh
leading
yeah, it's kind of
psychiatrists,
squirmy. Look at you
Stan's a bully
staring at
for
me.
one of three reasons.
Do these make noise or anything?
I have to put batteries in.
Underneath all that male bravado, there's an insecure little girl just banging
Let's
on
do
the
it!
Is that a smile for me? Oh,
Like a
you are
kitten.
so handsome.
Stan's brain is underdeveloped.
You're adorable. You
Therefore,
are
Stan is unable to
adorable.
use self-control, and so he acts out aggressively.
You like your bouncy
And
chair?
the third reason, Stan
He's
has
just like
small
staring me down. It's so cute. He's like, I'm gonna look over there now. I'm done right here. Get a big smile. Is he trying to catch his breath?
Maybe.
I thought it looks what it looks like.
Hi. Hi, Annie.
The big smile, Jacob. That's not right in front of it.